Hey guys, good morning. So I did want to go a little bit into the dollar, but before I go into that, I did want to talk about my Patreon. And I think that after I've had my Patreon over I think about a year now, over a year now I think, and I think I've been thinking about raising the prices actually from $10 to maybe 15, even $20 a month, just because I think that I provide more than enough information, and just with my indicators alone, I mean, it's the amount of money you can make is absolutely ridiculous. Um, and again, I don't usually like raising prices. I just think that it's been up to a point where I think the price is now unjustifiable, because there's so much in the Patreon that I provide, as far as like teaching you guys how to trade and what to look out for, and even on the chat, right, where I think it's just fun and everything. So, I think as of like, I'll let you guys know early, but I think as of October, I'm not gonna raise the prices now, but I think in October I will be raising the prices up to like $15. I think so. As of right now, it's $10. I will be raising it to $15. For those of you that would like to support me, I will. I know I'm really bad at dropping the Patreon link down below. But I will drop it down below in case you want to join. Again, Patreon is gonna be moving from $10 a month to $15 a month in the next month or so. So I highly recommend, if you don't want to pay that $15. I'm not saying it's bad, because even you still get everything that you still get everything, right? But you can get grandfathered in if you join the Patreon this month. So, anyways, let's get into the dollar and why I think let's go into the Big Short part two, right? Um, as of right now, we are reaching that 430 level that we talked about. I think my video like a couple of days ago. As of right now, SPXY is trading sideways. Is starting to see some indecision. As you can see, this bull, bear, bull cancel. So I am expecting a move to the upside, but you're starting to see that indecision, right? You're starting to see that indecision. You just closed a 3 hour bear, right? 4 hour essentially right here, but all you've really been doing is trading sideways. You're essentially just trading around the same range. You closed that 4 hour at 428, right? And you're actually a little above 429. So this is actually seen as very bullish movement, right? The fact that you close the bear, you're still trading on the upside. But what I wanted to add is that it's even though we're on a bear right now and it's trading sideways, and this is bullish momentum, I do want to see how the hour goes. And again, I think I'm mostly just going right now for the day. And it looks like it's just trading sideways. You have the Nasdaq trading sideways, you have the SPX trading sideways, and the very big but here is the dollar. The dollar actually just closed. You closed a very, very, this is a nice little minor trend that you had from July 27th, right? So, it's like a big minor trend, right? You have no other trends other than that right now, and you actually broke it. As of right now, we are looking like the dollar is going to go back up to levels of 109. And at 109, the SPX was at like 375, right? The last time the dollar was at 109 was July 14th, right? The SPY 500, the SPX 500, back on July 17, around there. Watch, I'll show you guys here. July 17, right? We were around this range. July 17, 14, 15, 16, around this range. You were at 375. You were at 375 SPX. So as of right now, because the dollar did break to the upside, and I do think it's going back to 109, at least the top of this range. I actually started buying puts yesterday. More than likely, depending on what Walmart guidance is gonna be today, I will more than likely add to my puts. As of right now, oh shit, Walmart actually blew up to the upside. What was Walmart's? Actually, was Walmart's? Did Walmart's earnings already come out? No, they didn't. Daily, they come out today, right? Earnings August 16th. Surprise. Estimate surprise was, I don't think they've come out today. I don't think they've come out with earnings yet, but they're definitely up there right now. So I can definitely see the market overreacting right now. I don't think Walmart comes out with earnings till later today. Maybe I'm wrong, but if Walmart guidance is actually really good, I do think that everything else will start pushing to the upside, right? I do think that if Walmart guidance is actually really good, I think that will push the market up. I think TA might actually get nulled out, right? And the only reason, again, I am thinking about selling everything, or roughly everything around here at 430 at trend touch, is because we are divergent, right? And divergence usually means, we're gonna end up breaking this to the downside, right? So as of right now, dollar is predicting the SPX and the Nasdaq to go down. The dollar is reacting exactly how I want it to react. If we actually think that price is gonna go straight down, right? The dollar is reacting exactly how it's supposed to. The SPY and the Nasdaq are actually starting to lag, but Walmart can actually change this. Walmart and Target are one of the big indicators that you can use for data, right? For retail. If Walmart guidance for the last half of 2022 actually comes out really, really good, I do think we can break that divergence, and I do think we'll break that trend to the upside. And we actually just keep running, because it really just depends on guidance, right? Nobody knows how we're going to do for the rest of this half of the year. And if Walmart ends up coming out with those earnings, I think we can actually end up doing extremely well for the second half of 2022. And the fact that it mooned to 137, I mean, it's great, but you're going to create a gap right here, right? You're going to create a gap right here that you're going to have to get filled. You're going to create a gap from 132 to 137. Keep that in mind. The 4 hour, you're still bullish, right? So I would not be surprised if Walmart, I'm actually very surprised that Walmart shot up like this to the upside. But I do think that, there's a really strong chance that you can just dump right back, right? So until Walmart guidance comes out today, I'm not going to do any moves. I'm not touching anything. All I'm doing is riding this wave, right? Waiting for Walmart guidance to add to my piece of information to see if I'm going to add more positions to my SPY puts, or if I'm going to, if Walmart guidance comes out good, then I'll probably sell out, and I'll just wait it out until we actually break that trend to the upside. But there's a lot riding on Walmart guidance because right now the SPY and the Nasdaq are not reacting in a bearish way, even though the dollar is actually pushing up extremely hard. So the dollar is reacting exactly how I need it to be. Second part is Walmart guidance and Target guidance, and the third part would actually start to see the SPX and the Nasdaq's reaction. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.